Oh, that type of excitement usually caused by one of your great forecasts.
Well, yeah, or that,
Tonight?
or it's like a riot because of the bad forecast outside.
We won't talk about that.
Yeah, exactly. I love our forecast tonight. It's really nice. We got this cold front sweeping through. In fact, take a look right now. You won't feel it yet. It's not quite here. We still have 83 degrees, and it's still fairly sticky outside in Philly. 75 in Trenton, 76 right now, Allentown. But it will be moving through. By the time you go out tomorrow, you're really going to notice, if nothing else, the humidity levels, but certainly temperatures are going to drop as well. Westchester, Wildwood, Doylestown, all in the mid-70s as we speak. So here's what the radar looks like. The clouds in the radar. Green, of course, is an indicator of rain. All the white stuff here is the cloud cover. And notice that we don't have any green, a light sprinkle or two at most, but the front itself is positioned north of us, and it's going to be ushering in this relatively cool and relatively dry air. Our 90-degree temperature that we had today and all the humidity out there, by the way, sidebar, 90 the high temperature, just the 16th time so far this year, only the second 90-degree plus day this month. So we're below average when it comes to the actual temperatures here. But anyways, so this front is going to sweep through and just keep it a one-day event. But right now, we're just tracking maybe a stray sprinkle. Like I said, that's going to be about it. So for tonight, here's what you can expect. Temperatures are going to drop on down to about 67 degrees here when you walk out the door early in Philadelphia. The air drying out again, and that's the big difference. We're going to see the humidity levels drop on down for at least tomorrow and on into Wednesday as well. Your morning workout, walking the dog, even commute, whatever, fill in the blanks here. 70 degrees, both 7 and 8 o'clock, 71 by 9. By 10, we're at 73. We start out with a few clouds, then they break up throughout the day, turning out to be a delightful day. Across the region, 81 is our expected high temperature, down a solid 9 degrees from where we were today. 76 down the shore, 79, partly cloudy for the Lehigh Valley. If you're heading to the beach, for example, tomorrow, trying to get in the little bit of summer that we have left, expect there to be some overcast conditions in the morning, and then by the, say, mid-morning, afternoon, early afternoon, those clouds will break up. Sunscreen, though, even when there's clouds, because you can get, that's when you sometimes get burned worse because you don't think about it so much. So Wednesday, delightful. Some increasing clouds throughout the day. Tracking our next weather maker here on Thursday. Now, when it comes to the rainfall, shouldn't be a huge rainmaker for us, but notice, it is our next weather maker, and I'm talking about it because we are next weather. We always like to look ahead. We are going to see anywhere between 1/10 to a 1/4 inch on the lower end to potentially 3/4 of an inch, if not an inch of rain on the higher end. So we'll watch this. These are not law in terms of these numbers, but it definitely shows you that we have some rainfall coming in on Thursday. Some of that lingering into Friday. Friday will warm things up at 87 degrees. So ending the week with a little bit of, not as nice of conditions out there weather-wise. And then the weekend, yet another cool down, Siafa. By Sunday, we're going to struggle to get out of the 70s. So there you go. We're getting closer and closer to fall, which I know you're not pleased about walking out of the summer.
We're okay with that right there. Thank you so much, Bill.